This video is brought to you by RepriceHub.com, the fastest and most accurate repricer and price monitor for Amazon dropshippers.
Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. What are the things that you need to do daily as an Amazon dropshipper? Well, the first thing is kind of obvious. Fill any orders that you have. You're gonna wanna at least do that once a day, maybe twice a day, maybe 3 times a day, kind of depending. And this is a great thing that you can outsource to virtual assistants or something like that and have them fill them for you. But you do wanna make sure that your orders are getting sent out every day so that they're arriving, as soon as possible for customers that order from you. Because, the shorter that you can make those shipping times, the better your account looks to Amazon. You're really meeting all those goals of, the shipping time that you state is the shipping time that you deliver. And, we all know that Amazon loves fast shipping. Amazon customers order on Amazon, largely in part because of the fast shipping. So the sooner that you can get those products to your customers, the better and less problems you're gonna have. The second is uploading tracking numbers for, any items that have been shipped that you have the tracking numbers for. So, TrackerBot is great and it will do all this automatically. It'll get those tracking numbers from the items that you ordered. It'll get it from your email and then upload them to the orders, your sales on Amazon for you automatically, which is great, but it's still really smart to go to your orders and then scroll through and see if there are any that are missing tracking numbers. Because sometimes you can have, an item got canceled, but you didn't get an email about it. And, if you're not thinking about it, oh yeah, well, it probably got sent out because I wasn't notified. But sometimes you'll have stuff like that where an order is canceled and then you aren't told. And if you weren't going back through and, making sure with all those tracking numbers that stuff was getting sent out, it'd be easy to overlook one and then, end up having a customer that didn't get the item, it's ding your metrics, not good. Third thing is to look for any customer service messages that you may have missed. Buyers are usually a lot less likely to message you on Amazon than they are with other platforms like eBay, for example. You usually won't have many, but you still do want to check for them because it's really bad to, get a message and then just totally miss it and space it, especially with Amazon being so strict. Okay, so you've filled your orders, you've double checked over your tracking numbers, you double checked for messages from, customers or anything like that. What's the next thing you do? I strongly recommend going into your Seller Central and just opening your A to Z guarantee claims, your feedback, and your chargeback claims, and just take a look at them and make sure that nothing new has happened since yesterday. These shouldn't be something that you usually see an update on, but if you check it every day and just make it a habit, then the second something happens, you know right away. So it's a really good habit to be in. Just check for anything that could possibly be wrong, and then you're gonna catch it right away.